Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link a cell in Excel. To begin, select the cell where you want the linked data to appear. Type an equals sign, then click on the source cell you wish to link. Press Enter, and Excel will display the content of the source cell. This simple method creates a dynamic connection, ensuring your data updates automatically whenever the original cell changes. It's a fundamental skill for efficient spreadsheet management. Linking cells across different worksheets in the same workbook is straightforward. First, navigate to the target cell where you want the link. Type an equals sign, then click on the tab of the source worksheet. Select the specific cell you want to link and press Enter. Excel automatically generates the correct sheet reference, like Sheet 2, A1. This allows you to consolidate data from multiple sheets into a single, organized view, saving you valuable time. To link cells between separate workbooks, open both files. In your destination workbook, select the cell for the link, type an equals sign, and then switch to the source workbook. Click on the desired cell and press Enter. Excel will create a full file path reference. Remember, the source workbook needs to be accessible for the link to update automatically. If the source file moves, you'll need to update the link manually through the Edit Links option. For more robust linking, consider using named ranges. Instead of A1, you can name a cell total sales for clearer formulas. Also, understand absolute versus relative references, pressing F4 cycles through options like $1 for fixed links. When pasting, use Paste Special and choose Paste Link to create a dynamic connection instead of just copying values. These techniques enhance flexibility and maintainability, especially in complex spreadsheets with many interconnected data points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.